Welcome back everybody to another Minecraft video. Today I have got a little thing. I don't see it. Or do I see it? No, of course I don't see it. Because it's not on this side, it is on the other side. You're probably wondering why is there a hole with no block in there for? A lever on the side for? I'll show you. Boom. I'm gonna show y'all guys how to make a simple alarm for like your house or for anything like that. So basically this is how it works. Say somebody was robbing you and you're saying give me your money, or breaking into your house, then it's gonna set the alarm off. Now you wouldn't really want to try it with a flipping button, but a pressure plate, I don't really know, to be honest. But yeah, but it's very compact, kind of. But guys, let's get on to the building. And basically you can change the floor to whatever the flip you like. I'm just using grass because why not, at least. And just click the lever when someone's robbing or someone just robbed. Basically, simple contraption. All you need is a lever, redstone, repeater, redstone torch, and a no block. That's all you need. Oh well, and all you also need is a redstone comparator too. That's all you need. That's all you need. Very simple. So basically, lay out where you want the alarm to. Put wherever you're gonna basically put your door or whatever, and then you basically want to dig a 3 by, hey wait, is it 3 or is it yeah, 3 by, I don't know, but you basically need to dig out 3 block down area, and then basically dig out this area, and you want to go an extra block too. And so now you should get something kind of looks like this now. So now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put your repeater here with the tick on. The tick has to be on in order for it to work. And guys, that is so bright. Oh my gosh. But guys, if you don't see the tick is basically on. You know, it is really bright on the tablet screen itself. Let me get y'all guys a bit closer. Let me get y'all guys a bit closer. Make sure that tick is on, to be honest, because if it's not on, then it's not gonna like blink. Oh my gosh, because I have my tablet charging, so yeah. So make sure the tick is on and then do this. After you do that, then you're gonna want to come from this block only and put your redstone repeater right there. Don't put it here because then you can't activate it from behind it. The repeater's gotta activate it from behind it. So put your redstone torch here and it's gonna blink like this. After you got that, put your redstone like that and then put that in. You can put it to whatever pitch you want, it doesn't freaking matter. I'm gonna break this just because I don't want it to get so annoying and it's gonna aggravating. So you basically want to come behind this block because I'll leave it activated. You just want to come behind this block right here. So just dig beyond this spot and put a repeater, put a redstone. So now you should get something kind of like this now. Then just guide your redstone, make sure it's 3 blocks, and then fill your blocks in. And then guide your redstone. So now you want to make the trigger of the operation, or the trigger of the lever, or I mean, you could use a pressure plate if you want to. It doesn't really matter, to be honest. It's all optional on y'all, so yeah. So now what you want to do, you want to break that. Now you want to build up now. So now you want to go redstone, and basically that's what you're actually how far you should go. Now you just want to cover this up so you don't see it. Put a grass block on top and then put that there. And now you got your contraption to work. When the redstone turns off like that, then then that means it's off. When it's on, the contraption is going to be on. So as you can see there, it's on, off, on, off. Really easy. And then basically all you want to do is fill it in. Don't put a block on top of it because then it's not gonna work. I mean, it's gonna work. I mean, it's not gonna really work. I mean, it's just gonna be not making noise basically, and you don't want that if you're making your house. And it's from Rob's. Boom. Oh, you probably don't, guys don't even hear it. I'm sorry, but y'all probably do, but I don't know though. Really simple. And like I said, if you want to use a wooden pressure plate or stone or any kind of pressure plate, it's gonna work either way. You could even put a trap chest if you want to too. Okay, no, you can't. So don't put a trap chest. Don't put a trap chest because then it's not going to work. And basically, if I throw something on here, it's gonna do that. Then if okay, say you had a pressure plate like that and you threw an item on it, and say your door is like right here. Oh, I'm sorry, I got the wrong item. Say your door is there, and say this was covered off. Then they're gonna walk in, step on it, close it, and then, well, what in the name is going on? How do you turn this off? How do you turn this off? They can't figure it out because it's under and not above. I mean, it's gonna work either way, so yeah. The only way to deactivate it is to either throw something on a pressure plate or use the lever. Get it off, you got the alarm off, throw it on, the alarm will go off, and like I said, if you put an item on it, make sure you close the door. When you leave, and the alarm's going off, step on the pressure plate, and then throw an item on it first, and then get out. And then close your door so it'll look like it's normal. Then when somebody tries to break in, they'll open the door, they'll collect the item, and then, oh, okay, and then boom, they got some cool item, but they just set the alarm off, and they're like, how do you turn this off? What the flip is going on? You don't know what's going on because they can't turn it off. So they'll be trying to get out, they're gonna probably get out, but the alarm's just to keep going off because they didn't throw an item on the pressure plate. They're just gonna think that pressure plate is like basically only for the door, but it's not. It's not only for just the door, it's also for the alarm too. If that makes any sense. So they're not gonna throw an item there and then they're just gonna run away because they don't know why that alarm's going off for. Or they didn't even know there was an alarm there. Because if there's an item there, I'm sorry sir, but you need to activate. But basically, if an item is on the wooden pressure plate, then they're just gonna be, oh, there's just an item there, let's just go collect it, and then the alarm goes off. They're not gonna wonder why the alarm is going off. They step on it and they're like, wait, what? and then leave, or the alarm's going off and then just throw an item, and then leave, or whatever it is. Really good idea, really cool contraption to have in Minecraft. Like I said, it works either way, so yeah. Like I said, that's all the rest of me on it. Like I said, if you're gonna make a store, like, say, maybe a gas station, maybe. Like, maybe if you did a gas station and you're working, or any store, or restaurant, or whatever it is, and someone robs you, like, you can put this button wherever you want. And just guide the redstone to the back and into. And make sure you just have that redstone going wherever you want it. Like, maybe in your room or something like that. It doesn't matter. And make sure you have repeaters synced too, because it might not reach that far, no. It's only gonna go 15 blocks, so just put repeaters beyond and you'll be good. And then someone breaks in, just flip the lever and the alarm will go off and everything. I don't know how to turn this off. How you turn it on? And how you turn it off? This doesn't make sense. How did it even turn on in the first place? You're gonna think, oh my gosh, is somebody here? I mean, is someone literally here? Or how did it go off? Like, there's no command blocks anywhere, because of course there's no command blocks. This is frozen, thanks a lot. So yeah, they'd be like, how does this turn on? How you turn it off? They'd be wondering how you flip you turn it off. They're probably gonna even run away, and then you just turn off the alarm and be done with it. And be like, what the flip just happened? So really cool contraption to have in Minecraft. Very simple too. But guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. If you guys did enjoy and you did like this video, make sure y'all guys smash that like button. That's gonna show me support. If y'all are new to the channel, make sure y'all subscribe and comment in the comment section below. What else should I do? Because I don't really know what else to do. But like I said, if you're new to the channel, subscribe. If you did like this video, leave a like. Comment in the comment section below. What else should I do in this world? Or what else should I do in any world, or whatever at least. And let me turn my TV down. Make sure y'all guys click that bell to get notified whenever I upload new videos, because y'all don't want to miss them. Unless y'all do. And I can totally tell them what the flip. I hope you guys have a nice, safe, fantastic rest of your day, and I'll see y'all guys in the next video. See you later.